Well, the best we can do is inspire the local community, even if it does cost a little bit of money. We're clearing up second phase, and people are bringing water for the kittens, which is good. There's still a lot of couscous and pasta over here. I've cleaned up the tiles, which I hope they'll learn to do. There's a little dead kitten over there, I think. Yeah, there's another one gone. It's so utterly heartbreaking. And we really need funds to leave money for food, because otherwise they're just going to get this when I leave in 4 days' time. Hopefully I can set it up properly so this doesn't happen. Hey kitties!